We're doing a little video today about a recent biking trip that me and my friends took, starting in the Santa Cruz Mountains and kind of heading over towards Half Moon Bay. We took a bunch of mountain biking trails, kind of going crisscross, winding our way through the mountains instead of taking the roads, and it was a lot of fun. Unfortunately, we got into a couple of times where we got stuck or lost.
Wait a minute. Oh, it's that. Got you. Hold on. We going the right way? Hold on. Wait.
But other than those 2 times getting lost, we were pretty good. Other than, of course, the time that Jared took a little spill over a bridge.
Oh!
But he was alright, and we ended up continuing onwards, and he got to redeem himself shortly after on another bridge by making it over successfully, of course. And, of course, my bag issues, which were a lot of fun. But everything else went smoothly, and we got to enjoy some great riding. So, let's see it.